I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
Together, we're Phils to Phoenix.
2 countries.
One heart.
Welcome to our weekly Chikka2x.
If you are new to this channel, please keep watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that little bell icon, and hopefully maybe if they feel like it, YouTube will let you know that when we post new videos.
Yep. Thank you. Punch for you. Okay, what's going on? What's happening?
Well, our weekly Chikka2x hasn't been terribly weekly lately.
But we do have a live stream that it's always...
We've been way more faithful with our live stream. That one I wanted to get done for a multitude of reasons.
Yep.
And Monday through Friday, 9 to 10 a.m. Philippines time.
Yeah.
We do a live stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That I try to do a walking live stream, and Tuesday, Thursday we do a kind of a talking head interview.
Yeah, question and
long
answer
format
portion.
Chikka2x with viewer interaction.
Correct.
And it's kind of neat. So, any of you guys that watch this, try to check out the live streams if you get the chance, or if that's something you guys might be into.
Correct.
That we're seeming to develop 2 different audiences, which is cool.
Yes, correct. And we are actually taking a video of this Chikka2x in
Our bedroom.
Yep. It's our office room / guest room / whatever.
Studio / whatever /
It's not yet ready.
Yeah, the townhome we rented is, I'm assuming, reinforced concrete, because downstairs we have 100 plus meg speeds.
Mbps, yeah.
Up here we've got maybe 5, depending on where you are in the room. And I guess that's real common with the internet here. And like I say, it's all it's all precast concrete or poured concrete. And yeah, I'm assuming just the concrete, the reinforcements and everything else is just preventing the signals.
Yeah.
They make this mesh system that we're going to be getting either through PLDT or somewhere. But
they said it's on delivery, so you gotta wait on that. Right?
Yeah, because I'm thinking with two of the mesh that are supposed to come with the package we ordered.
Yeah.
Should cover it. The other package that we might get, if we don't get them, comes with 3, and I think that might be a little bit overkill. But I'd almost rather overkill than underkill. So.
Yeah. So Sunshine is still in the hospital.
Yes, Sunshine. Sunshine is finally coming out of intensive care. I actually got a message or a video chat with the mechanic today.
Yeah.
That we got it, or I didn't do nothing except throw money at it.
Yeah.
He managed to get the OBD reader corrected.
Finally.
The wiring harness wasn't hooked up correctly, which is why he couldn't get it to work right the first time. Mm-hmm. He managed to get it to work well enough to realize what was the issue with the transmission. He's gotten that corrected.
Yeah.
He's got pretty much everything else buttoned up and running right, and spent some time figuring out what's going on and doing some research, and found out what had happened to the OBD port. Yeah. And managed to get it corrected. And so when he got everything corrected and ran it through, that he gave me a video call and showed me and explained. It was really cool. And so mechanically at this point, Sunshine is perfectly healthy.
Yeah, so it's just the remainder parts like painting the bumper and...
Yeah, where the bumper joins, that they're doing some of the touch up on that.
Yeah.
That there was a couple of small rust holes that they found that they cut out and welded new pieces in, that they're doing the painting on that. And it's supposedly dry season, but it's been raining like crazy here.
It's been
And he has an
raining.
outdoor shop.
Yeah, that's very understandable. And then last week of May, it would be raining too. That like June starts the rainy season.
So
We may need to get a lot of umbrella. Well, we have rain suits, so
yeah, we brought rain suits with us for it, mainly for riding a bike. But someone's bike riding days are over for a little while. So
just you.
But Sunshine should be back in service
True.
late next week,
Yeah.
depending on the weather down there. And it's actually pretty cool.
Yep.
I've been doing a lot more riding on the bike.
Yes.
I've been doing a lot more exploring, just wandering around in traffic and such. Hoping to start taking a little bit more longer, more serious rides.
Yeah. That's actually it. I couldn't think of any.
Well, someone's starting to actually show.
Oh, my pumpkin, but yours bump is bigger than mine. Sorry. I'm teasing
Yeah,
you.
mine's about a 15-year gestation period.
Sorry. I don't mean to be. I should not be included. Cut, no kidding. Okay, what else? Oh, pumpkin is 4 months. 5 months to go.
We just had someone just had the prenatal exam again.
So I need to have another ultrasound for like some sort of, I forgot it, what do you call it? Genealogy anomaly scan, some sort of.
Oh, just doing general health checkup.
General health checkup.
They're just checking the fetal health and all that fun stuff. So,
Yeah.
Other than that, you're actually pretty healthy.
Yes, I'm trying to avoid sweets, salty, canned goods, food, and lesser meat.
Yeah, I guess someone's not gestational diabetes, but kind of borderline. So the doctor's trying to make sure that it doesn't go there.
And I'm starting to take additional of my prenatal vitamins, the omega-3. So that's addition on my vitamins. So I get folic acid, B complex, vitamins and minerals, and then omega-3. Wow, that's a lot. Plus milk. Wow, that's a lot more. Well, that's it. I just need to take care of my...
Yeah, it's just taking care of your health.
Yeah.
The Mama Papa came back this morning.
I got fish. I got shrimp. I got crabs. I got octopus.
Yeah, you got to see the shrimp she got this morning.
I get like this. And I got a lot of vegetables. That's my dinner. And octopus. Octopus is like that big.
Dong has a boat, and they're doing net fishing finally.
Yeah.
And
That kind of shrimp and the crab is like that.
oh wow, I didn't see that.
You, I saw it. I told you to take a picture of it. We already ate. I'm ready for some.
I saw the shrimp this morning, but I didn't see
It's
the.
in the side of the the crab. The crab was also beside the shrimp. I told you the crab is big. It's that big.
Did you post it to Facebook?
I forgot to take a picture because I was excited to eat it.
That one disappeared before it could even have a chance to get photographed, huh?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
So with the octopus, because Mama chop it right. Hey, Mama is really good. Because Mama already cooked them. She wake up like 4 o'clock in the morning to cook it ready.
Oh, before they came.
Yeah, it's already cooked.
Oh,
That's
wow.
why I warm it up.
Oh, so it was already pre-cooked when they got here.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool.
See, so it would not smell bad.
Other than the dried fish, and somebody bought durian today, so.
Oh, that's not me. That's not my request. Papa was been thinking of it like 2 months ago, and I need to grant his request. He was like looking the durian in Rustan's and it was like 600 per kilo, and the durian in the metro was only like 400. So I bought that small thingy 300. I'll take a picture of it and I will show you how John reacts to it. We'll see tomorrow how you reacted.
Well, I guess I get to have durian tomorrow.
Yeah, you should try it. You should. It's mandatory. Oh, we'll see. Sorry. I don't like it. The mandatory. Okay, what else before we will get over?
Oh, that might be a good live stream.
Yes. Oh, sige. We'll check a look at that.
Yeah,
Well,
tomorrow's our
good.
talking head live stream, so this might be something interesting to do on a live stream.
Dorian, John's first time. We'll see if I like the durian. But I guess I like it. But I'll check with Papa.
I'll let you taste test it first.
Okay. Okay.
You and Papa can taste
We'll
test
see
it
if
first.
tomorrow it's ready or Thursday if ready. Okay?
Because I was willing to try this back in Phoenix.
No, that's not good for you.
But yeah, she wouldn't let me try it back there.
Maybe here, because it just travel Cagayan to here, so only 8 hours, and it's not bad. Don't laugh. Okay, we're good.
But
That's actually it, right?
I did work out a deal, an arrangement with the agent that we rented
Oh,
the house
yes.
from. And so it looks like I'm going to be able to continue doing our real estate videos. And I'm going to shoot to post them every Friday.
Yeah.
And she works with enough clients to where we should have a pretty long-term
Yeah.
arrangement. So if you enjoy the real estate videos, check them out. They'll
Stay tuned.
be continued being posted.
Yep.
So, but yeah, that's, oh, we got our printer.
Oh yes, we got a printer finally. Yay! Got my duplicate printer.
Yeah, we did manage to find the 87 HP 8710
The same
here in the
as we
Philippines.
have
The
in
same
here.
printer we had back in Phoenix. The big thing that we both liked about it, or I liked specifically, is not only can it do two-sided printing, it does two-sided scanning.
I like it. And long bond paper too.
Yeah, because it does the
Scan.
document feeder scan, you can scan legal size documents and it will print legal size documents too.
Yes, finally our AC kicked in.
Yeah, we've been having some AC issues, but I'm hoping the sound isn't going to be messing too badly with
So
the video.
before it would be too noisy.
So, but Mabuhay.
Thank you.